So the situation is extremely desperate in Delhi. Hospitals virtually overwhelmed. Though the Chief Minister says not yet the health infrastructure, not yet crumbling, but it's actually up to the brim. What's it leading to? A lockdown? What's the impact? Hundreds of migrants are at Anand Vihar. Despite the Chief Minister's appeal, do not panic, do not leave. India Today's Tanushree Pandey is on ground zero. She sent us this report.
As the national capital witnesses an exponential rise in the COVID cases, we are yet again seeing an exodus in Delhi. Ever since Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced a lockdown for the period of 6 days, even after his repeated appeals, hundreds of migrant workers have already started to leave Delhi. We are right now at Anand Vihar bus terminal, where it is absolutely chaotic on the ground. This entire stretch is packed due to massive traffic jam. आप लोग चीफ मिनिस्टर जो मुख्यमंत्री जो हैं उन्होंने बोला आज हाथ जोड़ के कि 1 हफ्ते का लॉकडाउन है, तो फिर भी आप लोग क्यों निकल रहे हैं?
1 हफ्ते का कोई पता थोड़ी ना, फिर आगे बढ़ जाएगी लॉकडाउन पिछले की तरह।
दादा, बच्ची है आपके हाथ में, एक छोटी बच्ची, डर नहीं लग रहा आपको?
कोई डर नहीं है, घर पहुंच जाऊंगा, फिर क्या डर है आज रात की बात।
पहले भी तो लगाए थे छोटा सा, धीरे धीरे 2-3 महीने हो गए थे, इसलिए मैं बच्चे लिए गाँव जा रही हूँ।
मुख्यमंत्री बोल रहे हैं कि छोटा लॉकडाउन है, बढ़ाएंगे नहीं।
अब कंपनी मालिक कह रहा है बंद कर रहे हैं, अब क्या करें?
संक्रमण के डर से ज्यादा कहीं ना कहीं भूख का डर ज्यादा हो रहा है कि खाएंगे क्या?
खाएंगे क्या, जो भूखे रहेंगे और क्या होगा, मजबूरी है सामने।
You see the bus there, it's a bus right behind me and so many, the bus is jam packed right now as we can see you, we can show you the visuals. दादा कहाँ के लिए जा रहे हो?
बरेली।
और बाकी लोग कहाँ जा रहे हो? लॉकडाउन की वजह से हो रहा है क्या? So you know, this is the situation on the ground right now in the national capital, where you see the visuals, they speak for themselves. Scores of migrants are leaving Delhi in a fear that they don't want the repeat of what happened with them last year. We showed you visuals where lakhs of migrants were, leaving from across the country in absence of food, in absence of jobs. And yet again, we are seeing the same situation unfolding, this time in the national capital, where hundreds of migrants have already started leaving the city in a fear that they might soon run out of food and money to support their families.
India Today has the biggest team of reporters on ground zero to get you the story. Whether in Delhi or in Mumbai, I have Tanushree Pandey joining me from Anand Vihar. Milan Sharma is keeping a hawk eye on developments in the health ministry. I have Vidya who's joining me from Mumbai for more on this big story. But Tanushree, to you first. And you repeatedly tried asking people why are they heading back when the Chief Minister hopes that this lockdown will only be 6 days. But clearly people fear. They fear there's worse in store.
Absolutely, Gaurav, and I think these are the awful memories of last year that are coming back to haunt, and especially the most marginalized section, which are the migrant workers. I kept asking every person I met at Anand Vihar that why are you leaving? The Chief Minister has just appealed 3 hours back that this is not going to be an extended lockdown. This is just a lockdown for a period of 6 days. But there is an absolute lack of trust, Gaurav, which we can witness on the ground. The poor section, they feel that we went from a weekend lockdown to a 1-week lockdown. So they do not really trust the government, and they feel that this lockdown is only going to get increased because there is a shortage of beds in the hospitals in the national capital. There is shortage of medicines in Delhi. There is shortage of everything which a patient might need if he contract COVID-19. And there is the fear which is actually forcing all these migrants to leave their houses and go to their native places. And that is what we saw in Anand Vihar just hours after Arvind Kejriwal announced a lockdown. People are leaving, people are sitting on the top of buses to leave for Bihar, UP with their wives, with their small kids. And all they are saying is, we do not want a repeat of last year. We don't trust the government witnessing what is happening on the ground. So that's the situation right now. Hundreds of migrants are still waiting for buses.
Stay with me, Tanushree. Stay with me. Let me quickly bring in Milan. Milan, Now, the Chief Minister hopes it's just a 6-day lockdown. But given the fact that Delhi has 25,000 cases, it's a huge surge. Is 6 days long enough to break the chain, or will it have to be extended after these 6 days, perhaps by another fortnight, at least a week if not a fortnight, to actually break the chain, and that too if it's strictly enforced?
Well, Gaurav, technically speaking, the chain of transmission takes longer than 6 days to break. But this is an eventuality that the Delhi Chief Minister is aware of. You remember the last 2 days, there was a partial curfew that was imposed in Delhi. That was only to check the number of cases, but we did see a spike from 24 to 25,000 cases. And which is why, with the crumbling infrastructure in the national capital, there was nothing left to do but to put in a lockdown in place. Of course, the Chief Minister has said that the spread will slow down. There's no guarantee that it will stop, but it will slow down the number of cases and the number of people who are requiring hospitalization, number of people who are requiring oxygen in Delhi, which is in severe short supply right now, which is why the government at the central level has also sprung into action and is supplying oxygen throughout states now, which is why the lockdown is crucial at this point. But when we talk of migrant laborers, Gaurav, they live on daily wages, and the life is especially hard for them.
It indeed is. So,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.